Hi guys, so you can see that I'm new to YouTube. Sorry, I stutter a lot. As you can see, my channel is called Time V. Well, I just wanted to let you know I will start doing fun videos once we get to at least, because I'm new, 10 subscribers. And then maybe on this channel, since it's my first time, maybe like 25 likes. Okay. Hey guys, I'll put a link down in the description. I don't know what. I'm sorry. It's really weird. Bye.